if we need to use more stuff like an array or stuff like that, I'm just going to come here and then change this to an array symbol here, and then automatically it will figure it out for you. And then you can also do something like any kind of data you're looking for. This also works, so any kind of data you're looking for, you can actually use it there. So that's actually what is very nice about this. So this use state is actually how it works. Use it to update your components, and then can use it to do update and change a lot of things in your functions. Probably maybe I have a function here now. I'm saying uh constant, let me see, John, and then we have uh constant John. Now here, now these are functions. Gonna make it another function. So this constant John, now probably I want it to be to keep updating and changing. So I'm going to use this comment update here, and then I'm going to change it to probably mm, John. And then I can also create another one. Oh, sorry, constant Paul. Then I can use another stuff here. So now, what exactly I can do here? I can actually do something like this: comment update can also be let me say Paul. And and then if you are actually a programmer, yeah, if you have written many code before, you should know that if you have something like this actually something that is not actually accepted in programming, but you can do it like this if that's what you want, but it's not actually accepted. The way you can actually fix this, you can actually combine it into two things by just creating a variable, by saying something like this. I'm just going to delete these ones here. I'll comment it out. Sorry, I'm just going to comment this one. Let's delete this one, and then I'm going to comment this one out, and then I'm going to change this one to a variable, probably let me say data here, and then you can just pass in the data here. And then this automatically passing every other things inside. And if you're having a problem like undefined stuffs, then probably you can just come up here and do something like x equals to maybe data, then you convert it to what, probably to string, convert it to strings, and then input to x here. I think this will makes you be on the safer side, but actually you remembered you need to change this to a constant or variable or let or anyone you actually want to be using. So me, I'm going to use a variable. So variable, now here you can actually turn this to a strings or anything like that. So by calling these functions, now I can just say this John now, and then I'll just put in any of my values, probably Paul. This actually is going to be converting it, so I don't have an issue with this side there. There's a lot of things you can actually know. You can play around with it and check the internet. So thank you for listening to me.